Yeah, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Just now I received this package from the Flipkart, which is Moto Edge 60 Fusion mobile from Motorola. So we'll try to unbox this. And as this is the open box, the delivery guy already opened this. That's the reason you're seeing the seal has broken here. First of all, let us see what are on the box here. Moto Edge 60 Fusion is mentioned here, and at the bottom it supports Dolby Atmos for the audio, comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass, and it supports high-res audio wireless, means this one when you connect with the wireless buds or something like that. In the last video I unboxed this Realme Buds wireless 3 Neo, which is of 1000 rupees. This one, if you want unboxing, just check in the description below. And high-res audio. Okay, let us quickly open the box contents here. And this is my current mobile, which is Moto Edge 50. Okay, this is for one of my relative. Okay, and there is no always on display for Moto Edge 50, but I installed a third-party app and I got this. And let us see whether it is available in this Moto Edge 60 Fusion. Yeah, this would be the mobile. Yeah, as I said, the delivery guy also opened the package for the first time, as this is the open box package from the Flipkart. And this is the mobile, and this is the SIM ejecting pin, nothing else in this. Let us keep this mobile aside. This is Meteor Moto Edge 50 Edge 60 Fusion, maybe how to use guide. Yeah, these are the IMEI numbers. Okay, let us see this. And this is for the protection glass, what we place at the time of time. This would be useful. Okay, I'll be keeping this aside. And coming to the charger they provided in the box. Yeah, see here, it is 68 watts charger adapter, and this comes with the type C to type C, I guess. Yes, yeah, type C, type C to type C. Okay, here, yeah, fine. Coming to the main unit, this is of blue color, and the user got this for 23,000 rupees. Let me turn on this for the first time. Yeah, and at the end of the video what we can do is we'll just see the details in the Flipkart section where I purchased this mobile. Okay, and there is no case provided. See here, these are the box contents, there is nothing else. I just checked all over here, there is nothing else. Case is not provided, you need to remember that. And for the same case, I just ordered this printed silicone case for this mobile. So once I receive this, I'll unbox this and I'll be applying this to the mobile, and I'll take a video and upload this. Please do check the description for those update or the first comment, and let me know how is this back case or the back cover for this Moto Edge 60 mobile, because in the box there is no content. Yeah, it is saying like start. Okay, let me check the slim shot also. What would be the type of the slim slot available? Right now I am not going to insert any SIM or something like that, but I'll be just trying to open this with the SIM ejecting pin they have provided. Yeah, yeah, so it is saying like SIM 1 this side. Yeah, here it is SIM 1, and here at the back side SIM 2, SIM 1, SIM 2, and on this slim SIM 2 slot there is micro SD card slot also, SIM 2, and just beside that there is SD card slot also. So two mobile SIMs and one SD card can be supported on this mobile, so which is a added advantage. Let me just insert this, and for now I'm going to just skip this step. Skip. Okay. Yeah, I'll be connecting to one of the Wi-Fi available. The Wi-Fi has been connected. It is getting your phone ready, and see here, this is the leather finish, the back side, and the holding feel on this hand is pretty good. It feels lightweight, handy, but very slippery. Without the case, it is looking very slippery. So that's the reason I just ordered this. We'll see once it reaches us. Okay. So I'll be clicking on accept the terms and conditions of the Moto if I'm okay. Getting your phone ready. Please do comment who else are using Motorola mobiles. That may be Moto Edge 50 mobile, something like this, or Moto Edge 60 mobiles, or previous Moto mobiles, even for Moto G56 or something like that. Please do comment your Moto model type in the comment section, so that I will also know which brand, which model are you using. So yeah, for now I'll be just skipping on this, all these things. Yeah, I'll be just keeping a temporary lock, all zeros. Yeah, I'll be skipping this, accept. It is taking like 5 minutes for the initial setup. uh, Google as my default search engine. I'll be clicking on next. Getting your phone ready. So I'm just doing this to check the camera. Once I check the camera, I'll be closing this video. Okay, this comes with Android 15. I'll also check that. I'll be just checking that also. Finish. Yes, this has been completely finished, and I'm just saying like go to the home screen just to quickly check, maybe later. Wow, the UI and everything. uh, and this comes with the Moto A features, all that we can do in a separate video. The features of the Moto Edge 60 in a separate video. If you want that, please do ask in the comments. Let me click on the settings and click on the about phone, and see here in the about phone section, Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. And yeah, in the device details, you see here Android 15. If you can see, the Android version is, this comes with the Android version, and at the start of the mobile only it says something like update is available. I need to check, and this is the initial UI. Let me just open the camera for the first time. Just see here the glossy camera feel, even for the video. Let me just click a picture for a moment. Yeah, yeah, fine. Let me take the buds. Yeah, this is a low light condition. Okay, see. So if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.